Okay. It feels like forever since I've ridden the 450 and filmed at the same time. Yeah, today's just gonna be a chill ride like usual. I'm getting a lot more comfortable on this bike. I might start hitting a couple more jumps on it. But yesterday I went out for a ride. I didn't film or anything, but I was just getting more comfortable with the shifting because these boots make it a little difficult. But it's been pretty clean. I've been making it happen. I've been getting lots of progress on this bike, and a lot more crazy things are going to be going down. So if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, because I'm still going to be trying to pump out some content before winter starts. In the winter, it's mostly going to be just pit bikes, but 450 is going away for the winter because I don't want anything to get screwed up in the winter. Winter's sketchy, you know. I'm only gonna ride my shitty bike during the winter. I'm just gonna go for it, you know? Have a good time. Holy shit. That was a scary one. Oh, oh my god. God bless. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so sketchy, slightly turning when you're going over bumps and whoops like that. Shit. Moto madness. Nah. Maybe I'll send that into Moto Madness. I mean, it's probably better than half the clips that I've seen on there. Freaking saved that. That was lucky. That was so lucky. It just like boom. It shot out like that, and I just brought it back. God bless, God bless. Ooh. Shit. I just need a second to sit and breathe, because that like genuinely scared me. Just gotta keep going, you know what I'm saying? If that were in a race, I would have just kept on going. But holy shit, that fucking scared me. Okay, let me check this out. Yeah, that's a good spot for it. I wish I had a shovel. I just gotta go off of it with enough speed so I don't get the rear tire caught all over it. Okay. I'll probably come out here with a shovel sometime and make it little better. I meant to do that a while ago, but guess what? Life happens. Let's go! I fucking hit it! That felt so crazy. Shit. I'm not gonna make you guys watch it, so I'm just gonna end the video here. Not how I expected to be ending the video, but yeah, we finally hit that jump. That was pretty damn scary because this thing is shot up like a fucking rocket. And yeah, I'll probably bleep out all the swears after I almost died over those whoops. So then if I just happen to make it on YouTube, I'm just gonna plug, please subscribe, like and subscribe please with post noties on. You don't have to do that, I never do that, but if you want to you can. But I forgot what I was saying, but whatever I was saying, I'm sure you know what I was gonna say. Whatever, I'm just gonna end the video there. See you next time. We got a lot of good videos coming in the future. Just hit that subscribe so you can be part of the journey, you know what I'm saying? Well, see ya. I'm really out of shape, out of track season, so see ya.